how to reset HP LaserJet M234dw wireless printer to reset mode or restore mode. I actually moved to another house, so I have to assign to my new Wi-Fi. For this, we should to reset the printer to get the new wireless. First, we should press this button, the info, button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now these lights got on. After this, we should press the Wi-Fi and the cancel button at the same time. You can also do with the pen too. It is a small button, the Wi-Fi button, the cancel button. Press at the same time and we release it. Then we should to wait to the printer to be get off, and this light should be purple, and after that we can install or set up our new printer. Thank you for watching.